finished up the boxes finally. After I assembled these boxes, I went over everything with a 220 grit sandpaper, and then I reapplied the stain on all outer edges, and it got a very nice fine finish. I love how honey looks on pine. I already showed a sneak peek of these to the client. They're very happy, and that's what I care about most, obviously, as we all do. But yeah, I'm very happy with how the first set of boxes I've ever made turned out. This is a very different style video for me in the sense of how I shot it and edited this video, mainly doing time lapses, not a lot of talking in between clips. Let me know if you prefer this style, or if you like when I kind of take breaks in the action, discuss what's going on, discuss what I'm thinking, or if you just kind of like the straight to the chase style of shooting and editing. So yeah, comment below, let me know, like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to keep God number one. Peace out.